Hola amigos, estos son tus apuntes de Unidad 3, Lección 1, Gramática por y para. Por y para, en inglés, las preposiciones for pueden indicar exchange, el cambio. Por ejemplo, we already paid for our food. We have exchanged money for the food. O destino o destinación, destination. I am leaving for school. I'm headed to school. En español, hay dos palabras diferentes para expresar esas ideas de la palabra for. Estas palabras son por y para, como ser y estar. Hay razones distintas para usar cada palabra. Para es perfecto. Perfecto es el acrónimo aquí. This is our acronym to remember the reasons to use para. Primero, P. P stands for purpose. Damos una fiesta para mi mamá. Es un vaso para agua. Why are we giving the party? For my mom. What is that glass for? It's for water. So again, what is the purpose of something? For what reason? E stands for expectation or goal. Think of the phrase in order to. Estudio para aprender. Para ser saludable, hago ejercicio. So I study in order to learn. The goal or the expectation of studying is to learn. In order to be healthy, I exercise. Again, the goal of the exercise is to be healthy. Notice with this one how there are infinitivos después de para, aprender y ser. Whenever wanting to use an infinitive, it's almost always going to go with para or in order to. R stands for recipient. Este es para mi amigo. Las cartas son para el maestro. Recipient es la persona, ¿no? So the person who is receiving the item or the gesture, etc., the recipient. F is for future deadline. Tengo que terminar la tarea para mañana. So anytime you're talking about deadlines, las fechas o las horas, usa para. E stands for employment. Trabajo para Limburg. Trabajamos para los Cardinales. Fácil. We work for the Cardinals. I work for Limburg, my employment. C stands for comparison or contrast. Miguel es alto para tener 2 años. Para un niño es muy inteligente. Miguel is tall for just being 2 years old. For a small child, he is really smart. So showing that comparison or contrast. P, towards a destination. María sale para Panamá mañana. Voy para España este verano. So where am I headed to? Destino, destination, para Panamá, para España. She leaves for Panama. I'm going to Spain. Notice on the second one, even I'm going to Spain, voy para, not a España. O is for opinion. Para mí, la investigación es muy importante. Para ti, español es el mejor. For me, the research is really important. Like, in my opinion, for me. And for you, Spanish is the best. Your opinion. Por is when you get the medic. Get and medic are going to be our 2 acronyms for all the reasons for por. G, a general location. Hay un basurero por aquí. Bailamos por la calle anoche. Is there a trash can around here? Around here. Por aquí. General location. And we danced on the street last night. Por la calle. General, not specific. To express gratitude. Estoy agradecido por tu ayuda. I am grateful for your help. Doy gracias por tu amistad. I give thanks for your friendship. Through. T is for through. El tren pasa por Madrid. Vamos por el río. The train passes through Madrid, not to it, like that would be para, but through it. And we go through the river. Stands for means of, like by means of. Hablamos por teléfono. We talk by means of the phone. By phone. By means of. Mando la carta por correo electrónico. I send the letter by means of email. Exchange. Pagaste 100 euros por la camisa. Te doy el billete por tu almuerzo. You paid 100 euros for the shirt. You gave your money in exchange for that shirt. I am giving you the ticket for your lunch. Exchange. D is for duration, like duration of time. Vivieron en San Luis por 3 años. Estudié por 2 semanas. They lived in St. Louis for 3 years. Duration of time. I in place of. Estoy muy enferma hoy. ¿Puedes trabajar por mí? I'm really sick today. Can you work for me? Can you take my place? C is cause, because of. No tenemos agua por la sequía. La tierra fue destruida por la tempestad. We don't have water because of the drought. The land was destroyed because of the storm. Entonces, la idea principal es por versus para. Mira aquí. Por. Por is when you go through something or even around something, very general. Para is very direct, muy directo. You're headed straight towards your destination, very direct. Also, por has all these other meanings: through, by, for, to, by way of, by means of, más que para. Entonces, es todo. Gracias a Dios.